Happy New Year to all, and welcome to the Spring 23 semester. This week is one of my favorites when all of Lesley's students return to campus. It's rather quiet during these breaks, but I hope you all had time to rest and recharge. As we begin the semester, I know many of you are preparing for graduation. And speaking of commencement, I'm happy to announce that alumnus Eric Weinmeier will be our speaker. Eric lost his sight as a teenager and became the only blind person in history to summit Mount Everest. He's kayaked through the Grand Canyon and climbed the highest peaks on every continent. But he's also the co-founder of No Barriers USA, an organization that brings veterans, caregivers, and young people on outdoor adventures where they have opportunities for growth and healing. I look forward to hearing about how he has not only met the challenges in his life, but also used his bravery to inspire others. And just to remind you, our Thought Leadership series resumes this week. Award-winning flamenco dancer, choreographer, and alumna Laura Sánchez will share how her work uses dance to heal. I encourage all of you to join us for this engaging and inspiring evening. Turning to the strategic front, thanks to all of you, we completed our strategic framework at the end of 2022. The framework focuses specifically on partnering with the employers of our graduates to create clear and accessible pathways for students to enter the critical professions we educate for, diversifying our community and the professions we serve, supporting alumni throughout their careers, innovating in our caring and creative professions, and building visibility and demand for our services. That is the Lesley we're building for the future, on the strong traditions and work of the past. As the first phase of our work on the strategic framework, we will all be participating in a cross-disciplinary, holistic, and data-driven initiative called Better Lesley. Over the next 3 months, it will help address implementing the plan and our short and long-term financial health and market competitiveness. We've established groups around 5 work streams: enrollment, academic, non-academic, financial, and campus plan. These teams have key university leadership and will gather data and engage the community to find new and bold solutions. Through Better Lesley, we're using the next several months to rethink our offerings and the way we operate in new and exciting ways with greater efficiency and simplicity. Our time frame is aggressive, as it needs to be, so that we can affect our next academic year. But the results will be game-changing. The 5 groups will share their proposed high-level strategies by February 22nd. We'll bring an integrated strategic outline to the March 1st board meeting, and we'll be back to share with the community in early March. So what are the results of this effort? Our students and their families will benefit from improved experiences, our alumni will obtain a growing level of support, and our faculty and staff will have more clarity and priority of resources to focus on their important work. Again, I want to wish you all a safe and happy New Year, and look forward to all that the creativity and thoughtfulness of the Lesley community will bring to implementing the strategic framework and facing the challenges of higher education today.